Nursi Auliata Kuboya. I'm a student of Internate Guidance and Counseling student program with study identification number is 24145010. Currently, I want to make a video reading journal in English to complete the English course assessment. The title of the journal is The Importance of English Language by Niyozofa Aziza Ilyasovna. Introducing, language is our primary sphere of communication. It is the method through which we share our idea and thought with others. There are thousands of languages in the world. Every country has their own national language in addition to variety of local languages spoken and understood by the people in different regions. Some languages are spoken by millions of people and others by only a few thousand. In global world, the importance of language cannot be defined of ingredient. Since English is the most common language spoken everywhere. English is one of most asked languages in the world. Even outside of countries like the USA and the UK, many people can speak English and understand English. If you include people who speak it as a second language, it is estimated 1 million people worldwide which speak English. On top of this, 16 7 countries have English as their official language, and there are 27 countries have English as their secondary of official English. Currently, English is the primary language of the not only countries actively touched by British imperialism, but also many business and cultural spheres dominated by tough country. Thus, in the useful and even sensory language to know. Learning English is important and people all over the world. The world need to study it as a second language. Many countries include English is a second language in their school. Syllabus and children start learning learning English at a young age. English is the language of sin age, sin chase of the syntax of the of aviation, computers, diplomat, and tourism. Now, knowing English increases your chance of get a job in a multinational company. English is dominant of official language in a number of countries, include many former British Empire territories. The reason of the British Empire of varies many cloud as to why the English language is so popular. People often want to know the best language to learn and get ahead in life. Many think learning English. The international language is the best option. English is of crucial at an excellent choices. It's not enough to once be the fluent in English in the order to actually learn English. You have to learn English. With the help of developing technology, English has been playing a major role in many fields, include medicine, engineering, engineering, and education, which, in my opinion, it is the most important around where English is needed. If we want a career in travel, English is absolutely essential. As the international language of aviation, pilot and cabin crew all need to speak English. Even if you are not up in the air, speaking English uh, currently we will ensure you are able to communication with clients and suppliers super suppliers all over the world. Having a good understand to communication in English make it easier to travel around the globe because it is the main international common language of foreign- foreign- foreigners. Foreigners. Knowing English make it easy to get assistance assistance and in many parts of the world. There are many valuable reasons to learn the English. Six six reasons why English is important. One, it at it is an international common talk. Two, in a language of academic. Three, it gives us a, a access to a wealth we write media online and printed. Four, in in comments in it comments in Haiti where traveling. Five, in is essential if you want to work in international basis of business or commerce. It six, it is the language of Hollywood. 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 English open new career opportunity. First and for a month. Learning English can help you pursue an optional more career opportunities. There's day the job market is global. Many companies need employees who can communication with partners and clients all over the world. Very often, very often, the main findings employees who make who speak English. By learning English, you could become to translator, a language teacher, and language marketing professional of global company. Learning English is an important part forward forward to all your goals. Your goals. English is the top language of the internet. English is the most asked language online, with nearly 1 billion answer type and chatting in the language. If you can understand and reading English, you will be able to adjust and enjoy more resources online, and you can reading more news. Participate in the discussion of from forum discussions a on a roof. If you can understand English, you will be able to communication with more people online and use many more materials. The possibility are ideals and those. Learning English will open a whole world of um, intern entertainment if you. It is hard to match a young person, nobody who does know speak to study at yes let's one language besides their mother tongue. Globalization forces so many people to communication at cooperating more in the variety of business. But very language is important. It the base of the situation. You need a word language to communication with people around the world without learning their regional language. English is the world language and it helps you everywhere. English is also highly important as a international language at place at important part even its country where, where the UK has historical had little influence 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 influence. If you have the of basic of English language, you can make yourself understood in nearly very corner of the world. One, English is the language of the media industry because the pronunciation pronunciation of holiday in global media and enormous most amount of film, TV show, and popular song are written in English. 2. English is the language of internet. English is particular, particularly English is particularly important language online with more than half to half the content in internet written in English, as well as this. Someone the someone some of the more largest tech company are based in English-speaking companies. 3. Traveling is a lot is is easy with good knowledge in English. Imagine you are spent person and holiday in Thailand. Will your hotel receptionist may not be able to answer your question in Spanish. It is likely they will be able to answer your question in English. 4. English is one of the most important language of business. Whether you are a business owner, studying an employee, English is incredible important in the business world. English is considered to be the one of the most important business languages to being to defense court language as the United States and the official language of the UK, Canada, India, and most America. With English, you can study all over the world. Since English is spoken in so many different continents, there are thousands of schools and universities around the world that offer programs in English. 6. Give you a choices to to multiple cultures. Good knowledge of English will allow you to choose films, music, and interact of hundreds of continues around the globe.
You didn't have to cut me off. I can never know we were nothing.
Thank you for watching.